Hi friends, now we are going to configure VS Code for TypeScript, JavaScript and React applications. So for that, first of all, I would go to this settings, and the first thing that I will do is to turn on autosave, and I will make it like autosave on window change. And then this is the first thing. Second thing that I will go and search for some extensions. So I will just write JavaScript, and it is going to show me some extension that might required, and I have to choose from all those extensions. So first I will install this JavaScript and TypeScript 90, and then I'm going to install ESLint. Then I'm going to install this IntelliCode, Path Intelligence, NPM Intelligence, and then there is one more extension which will help you to write better code. Like it will help you to find out some like potential anti-patterns and something like unreachable code. So for that this extension is very good. And I will also going to install this prettier, and then for some CSS also I am going to search some extension like this CSS peak. If you are using Tailwind, then this is very good, Tailwind. And if you are using SCSS, then this SCSS intelligence, this is very good. And other than that, yeah, that's all. If something else required, I will create a video for that, and as we go along with the course, I will introduce those extension which is required. Yep, that's all. Thanks.